Say hi.
Hang on. Novelty value. No.
Novelty value. So, me and Gina are being a bit health and safety conscious with Isaac today. We're at the park and Isaac is wearing a crash helmet. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So we brought Isaac out on his quad bike today, which is over there somewhere. Gina's just been riding it really fast down the streets. I don't think she's expecting it to go as fast as it was. You gonna go down the slide?
Down there.
I mean, this park is designed for 3-year-olds, and they've got like this world's dodgiest chain thing for him to walk over. Good job he's got his helmet on. Ready? Go! So his quad bike, I've fitted some rear LEDs to it, some front LED spotlight thingies, which are actually daytime running lamps, and it's got this remote control, so you can't go anywhere without me. Go on then. Isaac, turn, down here. Raining, quick! Quick, quick, quick! Throwing it down again, like being back in Wales. So anyway, so last night we went to Decathlon. I was trying to find some cycling clothing. Quickly became apparent that fat man in cycling clothing just don't go together. It looked like I was pregnant, about the best way to say it. So I'm still gonna buy some proper clothing for it, but I think I might just go straight to summer clothing, because trying to buy the winter clothing and the summer clothing, it seems a bit pointless trying to buy all of that. And then also the fact that if I do lose weight between now and next year, the winter clothing is not really going to fit. So I've also just ordered myself some bike lights as well from Amazon. They're going to be turning up in the next day or two. I've also as well, because I bought my GoPro Karma gimbal. So I also bought my GoPro Karma gimbal off Amazon as well, and it's been playing up again. Now this is actually the second one that they've sent me now, and Amazon actually have been kind enough to say, you know what, yeah, don't bother sending this one back, because I've had it for about 8 months now, and they said there's no point sending it back, just send us we'll just send you a different model, make and model out. So I'm expecting one to turn up in a few days. So we've just got back in now, we're gonna have some dinner. But like I said, went to Decathlon last night and I look like a fat man, didn't I, Gina?
Well, I'm not looking particularly.
I'm a bit jowly. What is that? Isaac's terrorising me on his scooter. What a surprise. So yeah, so we've
Taking the shoes off.
I said I went to go and have a look at some cycling gear for my bike. So there's my new bike. I've only ridden it back from the shops. I've not actually taken it out for a proper ride yet. So as soon as the weather gets a bit better, I'll go out on the bike and I'll try and get some cycling done. So watch this space. We're going to see how much more weight I can lose. I have got another order of Huel that's turned up, buried down under a load of stuff from Christmas. So I've got that ready to go. I've also still got, you know, these are the flavourings that I was on about earlier in the last video. So this one's pineapple and coconut. That one's, it's like one of the strongest flavours and it's not too bad. This one is the chocolate one. The chocolate one you kind of, well, personally I'm having to put double the amount in what it says, because you don't really get chocolate flavour taste out of it. So whether it's because the Huel base is vanilla based and it's overpowering the chocolate, could be something, but I'm not quite sure. But like I said, for now I'm sticking with it. It's proving some results. Like I said, when I used to be on the military diet was a lot harder to try and stick to, just because of how few calories you're eating. On a side note, in the next video, Gina is obsessed with these chocolates from... Hang on. Gina is obsessed with Gillian, but for the past few months she has been on these from Lidl. Visually there is no difference. As you can see there from the image, they are the same. A Lidl one and an Aldi one? Yeah. So I'm going to get Gina to do a taste test and see if she can tell the difference between these two. I doubt she can. So thanks again for coming back, and... Is that acceptable in the background? Yeah. So thanks again for coming back and watching another vlog. Gina's kind of hiding. I don't know why. Why are you hiding? Gina, we can see rubbish on the kitchen worktop. So thanks again for coming back and watching another vlog. Gina's... What are you doing? Gina, say hi. You gonna say thanks for coming and watching the vlog? Go on. Speak. So anyway, thanks for coming back and watching another vlog. Stick with me over the next few weeks, like I said before. I'm gonna keep on updating you as and when I'm gonna get some training done. Winter is just too cold for being out on the road bike, and it's also too wet. I don't really want to ruin a brand new bike. But as soon as I start getting out on it, I'm going to put some more updates on that one. And please come back. Isaac, you're going to say, look at Daddy's finger. Yeah, and say thank you for watching my vlog.
Thank you for watching my vlog.
Say bye-bye.